that we house there, over 900 plus animals that we take care of. Majority of them are turned over or rescued animals, and some of them are for conservation purpose, so that more people learn about wildlife conservation, so that future generations can also be able to witness and learn about it.
That's a very, very, very noble deed.
Thank you so
Very seldom, actually, very few are doing that,
much.
because most of the time, people are interested with these wild birds because of monetization matter, things like that. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Sad to say, but that's the sad truth.
yeah, we're very thankful with everyone who supports us, who visits our park and donates, because then we're able to also sustain them and give them the life that that they deserve also.
Yep, that's right. We're in particular in Mahihai, Laguna.
We're in Barangay Corralao, so along the National Road. We're in
Okay.
the new Mahihai Road, so right beside it in Apa Wildlife Rescue and Conservation.
Okay. Yeah, been there. Look, Mauban, Quezon, December 30th during the death anniversary of Jose Rizal. We went there, and then on our way back, we
Passed by,
yes,
yeah.
Mahihai, Laguna,
Yeah.
on Quezon and Liliu.
Yeah, we're sandwiched in between. So Mahihai also has a lot of things to offer. One of the oldest churches is there. Actually, the same year as the oldest church that was built. And we have a lot of waterfalls.
Yep, I've heard.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, so a lot of things to offer also in Mahihai. We have accommodation also if you'd like to stay overnight. And,
Thank you. Yeah, I remember way back 2016, I guess, 2018. I used to ride motorcycle before.
Oh, yeah.
We went there hoping to visit one of the known falls in Mahihai, Laguna. Unfortunately, because it's summer,
So many
it's
people.
crowded already,
Yes, yes.
jam-packed.
The
White-bellied sea eagle. Dito.
Sniper.
Sniper. Dito yan, local natin. Napanis ang mata niya.
Before po namin siya ma-rescue, kanina po siya.
So rescued siya. Okay. Ang ganda, laki oh. Ayun oh, so na-rescue siya. Bubuti na rescue kasi mata niya parang ipopoach siya eh. Saan po ang ano nyo, sir?
Saan po?
Saan ang farm ang ano nyo?
Sa Mahihai, Laguna.
Hello po. Okay lang hawakan siya? Wag mong anak ha, para hindi siya magulat sa'yo. Galing, ganda. Ayan. Yay, ang galing. Very good. Nice. Yan, oh, yay. So, kukwento mo na yan kay mama mamaya. You tell mama, ano? Tuwan-tuwa yun. Yay.
Matching with your sweater.
Oo nga.
In black.
Ang ganda, ano? Siguro mahal-mahal niyan sila, no? Opo. Ang galing. Salamat po.
300 days of the year it rains or it
I
showers.
see. Okay, yeah.
So only 60 days of the year does it actually have days.
Because of the,
Yes.
demographic or
Yes, because we are we are considered apparently a rainforest area already.
Yeah, that's right. And it's good that there are still part of the Philippines where nature is still preserved.
Yeah. We're very happy that we're able to maintain the natural, at least the natural habitats, and we try to imitate it as much as possible. Like for example, if certain animals need water in their enclosure, so we always try to include that. Like tigers,
Oh.
a lot of people think it's just that they just need land, no, they do something.
Yep,
But
yep.
they also need water, they play in the water. So we make sure that in our enclosures they have that, and there's space for them to roam around.
The tigers there are mostly Bengal tigers.
It's Siberian. So we
Siberian.
have two, Siberian tigers. One is white tiger. That one's for conservation purpose. Because they're very few, no? White tigers are very
Okay.
few. We're actually looking for a mate.
Alright.
Hanap kami a mate. And then the other one, they're both girls. Rescue siya. So she was rescued, turned over to us last October, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
She's 6 or 8 years old, if I'm not mistaken. One of those two, sorry. Medyo makakalimutan na. And she's an orange tiger naman.
Okay. So, Siberian tigers, but you also have Bengal tigers. Only Siberian. I guess, if you don't mind me asking, I guess Siberian are way bigger than Bengal tigers, or
I'm not too sure about the exact differences of the two, but it has, I think, something to do with their coat also.
okay.
Like how the appearance of their coat looks like kung gaano ka fluffy
Okay,
or where it grows. Yeah.
And most of these tigers are purely for conservation.
The white one is for conservation, yes. The orange one was turned over to us.
In
But
case, I mean, they produce in the future.
in case they produce in the future, yeah, we strive to be for conservation talaga. That is our main.
So just for conservation only and no selling, things like that.
We don't plan on selling.
Kasi 'di ba minsan may mga iba parang alam ko parang nagbi-breed sila
If
for
they are in excess, for example, for birds, if they're in excess, then I think that's the time that you can rehome.
Okay.
But I'm not too quite sure with mammals that big because again, you need to have certain knowledge about taking care of them.
Right.
It's a big responsibility, and you have to make sure that it's ethical. Number one.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's a lot goes into it.
More or less you imitate not exactly 100% the natural habitat, but somehow
Yes, we try.
they are satisfied with the satisfactory in terms of
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not just a cage where it's for.
Yep,
for
that's right.
We try to give them the life that they deserve. No, they have enrichment area where they can play with something. Kasi parang
Wow.
hindi sila matunganga.
Tama po, tama.
And then ang kanilang kinakain about 5 to 6 kilos of chicken.
Imagine.
Per tiger.
Oh, yep.
So it's a lot. It takes a village, but we're very happy with what we do.
Anak, excuse me, ka konti. Yep, sorry. Ang galing na makuha nga ako sa inyo, madam. Alam mo, nung bata ako, I'm dreaming of, things like this. But of course, it's a dream. Libre yan eh.
That's why you dream big, kasi libre.
Opo, yung bang parang kasi siyempre mahilig ako sa animals, sa plants, sa nature. Na i-pass on ko sa aking anak. Nag-iisa namin pong anak. So hindi namin kasama wife ko ngayon. Naiwan siya kasi meron kaming dog na nanganak ng makalawa. Imagine. Yay! Yeah, thank you po. Thank you po. At ang maganda is yun nga, yan siya, nagbabanggit din siya parang ako nung bata pa. Sabi niya, Papa, hindi pa tayo mag-aalaga ng tiger or elephant? Sabi ko, kako zoo yan, anak. Siguro kako if tayo naging fortunate na maging talagang meron tayong place, saka yung meron tayong means, somehow, gano'n. Siyempre kasi hindi tayo pwedeng mag-depend lang sa yung basta, not unless, siyempre, may mga connections na o talaga nakita nila na purely conservatory tayo, di ba? Conservation ang ating target. Pero madam, natutuwa po ako. Congratulations. Ano nga pong name niyo po ulit?
I'm Alex po.
Ay, nice meeting you, Ma'am Alex. Ako po si Skipper.
Hi po.
Opo, ito pong ginagawa ko is para sa aking YouTube channel, if you don't mind. Opo. At si Ma'am Alex po ay anak po kayo na may-ari ng APA Wildlife. Ano po? Ano po ibig sabihin ng APA?
Actually, it stands for my father's name, Alfredo Perez Amorado, but we've also made kind of an acronym for it. Yeah.
Alfredo Perez
Amorado.
O yun, ang galing. Parang nakita ko na sa minsan po sa parang may na-feature siya, nag-vlog or paano,
Yeah.
parang last year or paano, parang ganito ring event.
Yeah, we were actually in the Pet Expo. I think, if I'm not, kuya, ilang years na tayo nagpa-Pet Expo?
Tatlo na po.
Yeah, this is our
Ayun.
third year here
Yes
in
po.
the Pet Expo. Yeah, and then there have been a lot of influencers, YouTubers like you, sir,
Yes
that
po.
have visited.
Opo.
No? We're very grateful for the coverage that they're able to give because it helps with,
Welcome
getting the
po.
word
Yeah.
out. And yeah, we don't do this for ourselves. It's really 100% goes back to the animals. It's not a business for us.
Yep.
Yeah, so whatever we get here, it really just goes back to maintaining all of them.
In terms of visiting the park or the place, is there a specific schedule or appointment?
We are open Tuesdays to Sundays, so we're closed on Mondays. But if it's a holiday and it falls on a Monday, we're open. So holidays are open.
Okay, up to you open at around what
9
time?
a.m. to 4 p.m. So our last admission is at 4 p.m. And all our tours are guided tours. So we believe that if you hear about the stories, not just reading it in a index card or info card, you get to really learn more about the animals and you get to connect with them once you hear their stories and you learn more about them.
Magkano po yung pinaka-entrance fee?
So for the entrance fee for adults, so 3 feet and above considered adult na po yung ticket nun. For weekdays, from Tuesdays to Thursdays, it's 345 pesos. And for weekends, that's Fridays to Sunday, it's 395.
Reasonable po, reasonable. Siyempre, di ba? So ano po yung mga expect namin makikita ron besides sa mga parrots, lovebirds, tigers, capybara. So yun, meron kayo na
Yeah, I'll show you a flyer that we have here. So,
Ay, ito
we
siya.
have flamingos, deers, capybaras,
Okay.
monkeys,
Okay.
butterflies, civet cats, miniature horses, binturongs, or Palawan bear cats,
Oh, yeah,
ostriches.
maganda po yun siya. Mabango yun, di ba?
Sorry?
Mababango yung bear cats natin.
Yung post nila, sabi daw, amoy popcorn. Yun ang
Sabi.
Yeah.
Na-experience nyo ba? Amoy popcorn siya?
Tanong natin sa kuya niya, Kuya Jmar, amoy popcorn ba yung paws ng bear cat? Amoy popcorn ba yung...
Oh, yun po yung, hindi po yung pinakang ihinga.
Yung ihi ng bear cat, amoy popcorn. Pwede palang maligo ka na sa ihi. Ako sakali. Ay, joke lang.
Napabango talaga.
Joke. Talaga? Kasi nakakita kami sa wildlife sa Quezon City.
Pero parang ang alam ko, yung pinakang pang-communicate po nila is yung amoy nila.
Okay.
Para dun sa, hindi sila yung katulad ng pusa na nag-iingay sila kapag alam nilang delikado sila. Pero yung pinakang pang-communicate po nila sa bawat.
So doon lang nagiging lumalabas yung scent. Pag may purpose siya na pang-communicate ba, parang mating time, gano'n, or eat, ano ba?
Yung defense mechanism po nila is yung tunog lang. Pero yung
Yung scent.
ayun yung pang-communicate po nila.
Ayun. Okay, doon lang lumalabas yung scent na yun. Okay. Ano pong pangalan niyo, sir?
Jmar po.
Ay, salamat po Sir Jmar. Nice meeting you po. Minsan po itatry namin magpunta dun sa inyo kasi gusto talaga namin mag-travel, mag-camping. At the same time, syempre, visit places in the Philippines wherein I believe Philippines is really a very, very gorgeous country in a way. Hindi pa natin na-navigate lahat or na papasyalan lahat ang Philippines pero sa totoo lang maganda.
Yes po, it's a very rich country when it comes to natural resources and a lot of beautiful places.
Yeah, kaya nga yung mga foreigners natin talaga nagagandahan sila, nabibighani dito sa ating bighani, malalim na Tagalog. Yay! Keso, parang keso, Tagalog po yun. Anyways po madam, di ko na po masyado kayong kasi alam kong it's a long day today. And na-appreciate po namin yung inyong pagpapaunlak, Ma'am Alex. Maraming po salamat po. At yes po, ito po si Skipper TV. Siyempre po, huwag nyo kalimutan, own a pet and win a friend. Di ba? Yan po ang aking motto.
Galing-galing.
Opo, yan ang aking motto sa aking YouTube channel na sana ay hindi nila mura na po ako yung mga dogs, mga cats, yun yung kaya medyo hindi pa ganun karami po ang aking subscribers kaya siyempre
Lalaki pa po yan. Lalaki.
in the future hopefully hindi naman po ako after sa ang gusto ko is magkaroon kami ng venture ng anak ko, ma-explore namin. Kaya lang may mga times more na exposure namin is yung mga budget meal na mga pets kasi siyempre 'di ba mga tao hindi naman naghahanap ng kumbaga ganun. At the same time kami rin pagka may time meron kaming alaga katulad ng nanganak aso namin, benta namin ng mura lang para hindi na alam niyo yun, lahat ma-share namin yung blessing.
Yes po.
Opo.
Yun ang goal natin.
Yes po. Yan po si Ma'am Alex uli. Marami po salamat ng APA Wildlife. Salamat po sa inyo at sana po magtagal pa at lalo pa po dumami ang kanilang mga supporters at tayo po ay sana makapag-contribute din together with my loving daughter. Ayan, salamat po na marami Ma'am Alex. Good evening po sa inyo. Salamat po.